Have you ever looked around your house at the same old boring stuff? The kids are whining that they're bored and you're just not sure what to do without spending a ton of money. Well, blogger and Instagram influencer Sarah of Modern Farmhouse Family is here to share a few products under $10 that might solve your "Mom, I'm bored" problems. Welcome, Sarah.
Hi, thanks for having me.
So excited to have you. So Sarah, can you tell us about $10 Tuesdays on Instagram?
Yes, so this idea was kind of birthed a couple months ago. We were just looking for like affordable options that like people use in their everyday lives that actually make a difference. And so we had this idea to do $10 Tuesday and have people recommend their favorite $10 and under items. They could be from anywhere, and then we would repost them throughout the day, and people just loved it.
Wow.
They loved that it was affordable, and they loved that they were like practical items and also just things you might not hear about, you know. So it was really fun to share, and it's kind of been fun to keep it going, and people really look forward to Tuesdays now.
Yeah,
I love it.
That is great. So what do we have in front of us? We have a few things that we picked up. I have the Pop It. These fidget toys are the latest.
Yes. I have mine too.
They're really fun.
Wow,
they
they
get
are.
addicting.
Yes.
It's like bubble wrap.
Okay.
It is, and people say they just like, they're a sensory toy, but they keep people, you can hear all the little popping.
Yeah.
They keep people, you know, interested. And especially what I love is that the popping is easy. So for little ones, like a 1.5 or a 2-year-old who knows how to, you know, push their fingers in, like it's a really exciting toy. So, I mean, it might be a sensory toy for an older kid, but little kids, keep really entertained.
My 2-year-old goes to bed with his. He's obsessed with it. He pops it all the time.
Get some of these.
I need to get one.
Yeah. They're really
great.
cool.
Okay, I have meat claws. These are very, very fun looking, and I want to smoke a pork
Shredding.
Do something.
butt right now. Just rip it apart or something. These are
People
brilliant.
raved about those. They raved about them. They said, like, you want easy meat shredding? And I was like, I have never heard of those, but you know what? They seem fun.
Yeah.
Like, they seem like they
But listen, have you ever tried to shred meat with forks?
Yes,
Because
it's
not
awful.
fun.
Yes.
I want to go to town with
So
these.
true.
Yeah, those
These
are great.
awesome.
True.
Big fan of these.
So I have the water beads. Is that what they're called here?
Yep.
And I have the
Yes.
before and the after. Which these are really cool. So
they
I've never done them though. How
Oh, they
exactly?
feel so good.
They're fantastic.
Okay, I will tell you what a lot of people love to do if you have a water table or one of those cheap little pools from
right.
Walmart, then people will fill the pool with them and kids can just sit in them and play.
Yeah.
And they just love them.
smart.
Yes.
They are
Yeah, I mean, but
awesome.
keep them outside, you know.
Right?
Don't let them get throughout your house.
Wow.
Don't let them like clog your drain in your bathtub.
Yes, that's what I'm saying.
Sarah,
That's what
have
I'm
you done
saying.
anything like that with your boys at home?
Yeah,
tried
we'll
it?
fill up a pool.
That
We'll
is
fill up a
so
pool
neat.
and a water table with them and sit the little ones in it, and it's a riot. They think
that's
it's hilarious.
so
I'm trying
fun.
it.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
what product do you have?
I don't drink coffee, but I have learned I've created my own frothy hot tea. So
Okay.
I believe that I would be considered a barista at this point because I have come up with my own thing. Now, maybe someone else has frothed their tea before, but I have never heard of such a thing until I came up
There
with
you
this
go.
fabulous idea.
There you
So
go.
what I do
So easy.
is I separate, I pour my tea, like my hot tea, in one cup. And then in my other cup, I just slightly warm my half and half, add a little bit of sugar, and then I froth it with this little guy right here. And then I pour my tea into the froth, and it is a delicious,
Wow.
upgraded
That's awesome.
cup of tea.
That's amazing.
Love that.
Thanks for joining our Sisterhood of Faith. If you have any interesting topics you would like to see us cover on the show, please let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to check out all of our full 30-minute episodes on FISM.tv/outspoken.